Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come with a very easy and healthy recipe, granola. Homemade granola is rich in fiber, antioxidants, proteins, vitamins and minerals. So it is a healthy choice for breakfast and in between snacking. To make granola, here I have taken rolled oats, some nuts, seeds and some dry fruits. For the wet ingredients, here I have taken half cup of jaggery powder. Into this we'll add 1 tablespoon of water and heat it so that it melts. Instead of jaggery powder, you can use any other sweetener like coconut sugar or unrefined sugar or honey, etc. We'll take 3 tablespoons of butter into this and allow it to melt. Here I am using a mix of butter and olive oil. You can use only butter or only olive oil also. Mix it well and we'll keep this aside. Now we'll keep a pan and add the rolled oats. Here I have taken old-fashioned rolled oats, 3 cups of rolled oats. Roast it for 5 minutes and then we'll add half cup of chopped almonds, 1/4 cup of peanuts and 1/4 cup of walnuts, half cup of sunflower seeds, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds and 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. You can use nuts or and seeds of your choice, half teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder for flavor. Now we'll roast the dry ingredients well for about 15 minutes till it turns crispy. Into this we'll add the prepared jaggery and butter mixture and roast it well till it is well incorporated. Into this we'll add half cup of raisins and half cup of currants. You can use any other dry fruits of your choice. And we'll again roast it. We'll roast this till everything is properly mixed together and it is nice and crispy. And then we'll allow this to cool down. Now the granola is ready and it is well cooled. Now we can transfer this into an airtight jar and store it and use it. Homemade granola is a delicious and healthy snack. So please do try it and I'm sure you will like it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.